This is against my better judgment. But she has expressed her wish with such charm and such determination that I cannot deny her request.
That was hiding in there. Good
Second in
catch.
command,
Fuck.
a man well qualified for this. His daughter Flores will remain in his charge. This too is against my better judgment. Who proved his courage 10 years ago when he stormed the fortress of Sacsayhuaman. The very best fighters will make up this group, and nobody should feel less qualified if not selected. I declare this all by document, which will be forwarded to the Council of the Indies for approval. I hereby affix my signature.
Four days later, on January 4th, we started on our journey. May God be with us.
I wish I had this little tiny screwdriver, but I don't. They made it star shape. Why wouldn't you make it a fucking Phillips head? Look at this. Nothing works. I'm not gonna dig through my closet and find those fucking things, man. I got one of these. It just takes forever. I hope my games work after this. Fuck. It's gonna be a long video of me fucking dicking around with these screws. Here, let's see, 4-screw POV. Thought I had a beer around here. This movie's really good for any potential viewers. It's called Aguirre, The Wrath of God. It's an old movie. It's really fucking cool though. Here, I'll let you watch the... Whoops, the flash is on.
January 6th. We have managed to fight our way ashore to make a camp. One of our rafts is trapped on the other side of the river in a backlash. We couldn't hear what the men were shouting and could not help.
How many on the raft?
7 and 2 Indians. We must try to help those poor devils again.
Don't be foolish. I won't waste a man on them.
Orders still come from me.
They should. We'll need long ropes, some hooks. Then we'll have to go way down the river. I hope we can find a way to get across and get them out.
Get some men to prepare what you need. There's no time to lose.
Finally fucking getting these things tight. Thank God. Fuck, there goes my wrench. Sorry, Dinkerton. Sorry, Booba. I didn't mean to scare you. Were you sleeping? He did asleep. Oh, bro, we gotta fix this fucking PS5, man. Hell yes, it's fucking tight now. It's fucking tight now. Look at this shit. Boom. We got it. I hope the games work. Come on, Sony, send me a new one.